Hi, I'm Chris Matherly. This is the video morale report for June the 6th, 2019. Just got back from the Washington foray. It was the best Washington State foray ever. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Well, here are the reports and finds for the last 10 days or so. Alaska, still finding quite a few. Arizona, high elevation on the north rim especially. Few in California still. Colorado. Idaho. Illinois, the very northern part. Indiana, the very northern part. Iowa, very north and northwestern part. Maine starting to move inland more. Michigan, the northern half. UP of Michigan, lots of blacks. Minnesota, still going good central and north and closing up in the south. Nebraska, the very northern part of Nebraska. There was a report in New Mexico. New Jersey coming to a close there. New York, lower elevations and coastal coming to a close, and upstate higher elevations still going on. Ohio, very northern part. Oregon, still lots of reports. Pennsylvania, high elevation. South Dakota, lots of reports there this time. Vermont, going further north now. Washington State, some good reports. And then here's the footage on some of the Washington foray that we just got finished up with. Enjoy. Wisconsin, southern part is closing out, and central and northern is still going on pretty well. We got a report from Wyoming. And then we got a couple reports from Ontario, Canada. And then we've had chicken of the woods, black stainers in Georgia, goldens all over the place. Here are some of those pictures. The upcoming forecast for the next 7 to 10 days. It's going to continue on for probably, especially in northern Michigan, all the way through the next 10 days. UP, the same. Minnesota, the northern half and northern part is going to be peaking out and closing out. Maine, only higher elevations and further inland. It's going to be done in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Iowa. Still get some random reports in Alaska, Arizona, California, and Colorado in the high elevations. Nebraska is going to be closing out, so probably not too many more reports from there. New Jersey and New York the same. Oregon, we will still get, in Washington, plenty of reports from there for a while, although there's a heat wave coming up, I see. Pennsylvania, only higher elevations are going to report in maybe. Still might get some in South Dakota. Vermont is going to be just the northern half now. Wisconsin is going to close out in the south, and the central and northern part is going to continue on for the next 7 to 10 days. And there's going to be more and more reports, and I'm integrating a new summer mushroom map as well for chanterelles and chicken and black stain polypores and umbrella polypores and golden oysters and things like that. So you'll see that soon. Happy hunting. We still got some time. Montana should be kicking in the higher elevations too, in Idaho, for burns, and they'll probably go in those areas all the way into August. See you in the woods.
I've ever had in my life. It's amazing.
Well, you guys picked them, so I put them in. We got
It's
a lot of mushrooms in
incredible.
there.
You're an incredible cook.
A lot of stuff in there. Glad you enjoy it.